What is up, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John, and today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're finally taking a look at the Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2 over-the-ear headphones. Now, if you've been following this channel, you know that I've been doing a couple different pairs of headphones. I started off with the Jobber Elite 65E, which I did about maybe a month ago now. And then I moved on to the Beats Studio Wireless 3 over-the-ear headphones by Beats in cooperation with Apple, because as you know, Beats is owned by Apple. The Beats brand is owned by Apple, and that's why you have a lot of Apple branded chips and technology. In the Beats Studio Wireless 3 headphones, you have some good Apple hardware in there. Then I did the Bose SoundSport Wireless Free earbuds, which basically are the beginning of this range of over-the-ear of audio equipment, personal audio equipment, I guess you would call it. And then I moved on to the Bose Soundwear, which were a little bit, they're sort of in between. They're the in-between model of these Quiet Comfort and the SoundSport Wireless Free. And finally, like I have been saying for the past couple of weeks, I said that I was going to be doing a review of the Quiet Comfort 35-2s, or at least an unboxing into first impressions. And so here they are, finally I have them, the Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2s. It's been about 2 months now since I've started doing headphone reviews, and I would like to consider these the pinnacle of mainstream headphone reviews. So I started, like I said, with the Jobber Elites, and now we're here at the Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2s, and I am super excited to get them unboxed and to do a little first impressions with you guys. So let's go ahead and grab the handy dandy knife. We've got a nice straight bladed knife today. Do I need to knife it? No, not really, because I've got actually an open area up here, but just to have a little bit of fun, we'll go ahead and slit a hole in it and make it just a little bit easier for us. I know you guys love the knife, so we'll go ahead and we'll get that unwrapped there, and we'll put the knife back and throw the cellophane off to the side, if that's what it is. If it's not cellophane, please let me know, because I would like to get the packaging terms right. So as you know, for most of you out there, I am new at this. I am taking the channel in a bit of a different direction. I started off doing cell phones, or I started off actually reading off of websites. So I really am into the marketing of this kind of stuff. But anyway, just let me know if it's cellophane wrap or not. So let's go ahead and get these unboxed here. So we've got the Bose logo on the side, which you can see this beautiful premium box. Not super premium. There's a bit of a dent in here, but that's okay, and some scratches. But like I said, that's okay. This box slides, there's a box on the inside. So this is actually really a sleeve on the outside, a sleeve or a cover or whatever you want to call it. And then this box here slides out like so, and you are greeted with the Bose logo there right on the front. So that is really cool. And we'll go ahead and set the sleeve off to the side for some awesome box art. Let's make sure it's in frame there. So we've got Quiet Comfort 35-2s. And so we just lift up this little slat here. Not super exciting, doesn't feel super premium, but the ease of this experience so far is so far unmatched. So I went with the silver pair, as you can tell by the box here. Let's see on the inside. Let's open it back up again. There is nothing except for this little bag of whatever that crap is that keeps it smelling fresh. So here is the box, and as you can see, they are meant to hang on a shelf, but actually when you go to Best Buy, more than likely you're gonna have to get a representative to help you, as they are normally kept behind a glass case. They were $349. So I don't know if that means anything, that they were $345, if that's the reason why they are behind a glass case, or if that is Bose that really wants their product behind a glass case. And I'm just going to assume that it's a little bit of both. These are $349. You can pick them up at your local Best Buy. What I really like about this so far is black and silver. You cannot go wrong with black and silver. There's a little bit of silver on the zipper here, which should match the headphone. One thing that I didn't like about the Beats Studio Wireless 3, I'm going to go on a bit of a tangent here, and I'm going to go out and say that, you know, they came in so many different colors. Why couldn't they color coordinate the case to the headphones? So, as you remember, if you remember correctly, I bought the navy blue pair of the Beats Studio Wireless 3, and the case that it came with, the carrying case that came with the pair of headphones, or that the headphones came in, was black. It wasn't navy blue. It was a very nice box, but it wasn't navy blue. It didn't match the color of the headphones. And you can actually make that same argument right now for the Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2s, that even though I bought them in silver, they don't match the case. But like I said, there's only two colors, and you know, at least the headphones matches this silver part on the zipper here, so it shouldn't be too awkward of a companionship or a fit. Okay, so we've got the case open. These are super sophisticated already. They have this awesome, really cool folding mechanism, as you can see here. So it's going to be kind of a challenge getting them back in the case, but let's go ahead and take them out here. Really nice so far. This is like a very thin aluminum here. I don't think that's plastic, but I think these hinges may be plastic, or maybe this ring around the side is plastic. Actually, that might be rubber. Guys, it is getting harder and harder to tell between the materials, whether they're rubber or plastic or aluminum. They do a really good job of making at least composite materials. This certainly is a fake leather, I'm assuming. And you've got an Alcantara lining here, which is really nice. These, you do have the option of getting these in black or in silver. And right now, I am really digging this silver pair. So as you can see, they are very flexible and very mendable here. You've got your volume buttons on the side here. You've got a plus sign and a minus sign. And then you've got 3 buttons here, which I assume is for some kind of assistant feature, or maybe to answer and end phone calls. We've got maybe what looks to be a microphone here on the outside. Guys, very sophisticated set of headphones. What I really like is that you can see the screws that they use to keep the casing closed. That is definitely plastic right there. There is no doubt about that. But and on the inside of the ear cups, you get left and you get right, which is really cool. And you get their striped, which is pretty neat. So let's go ahead and lay these down. We'll go ahead and lay them down just like so, and take a look at what else we get in the box. So far what I don't like about this case is that you get this weird styrofoam that kind of is just in there. It keeps everything together. I would really have liked to have seen maybe a permanent piece to sort of guide the to help you sort of guide the headphones back into the case, but that's really not too big of a deal. So we've got what looks to be some kind of cable here. I'll go ahead and unbox it for you because I am curious as to what it is. It is a micro USB charging cable, I think. So there's no USB-C here, which is a little bit unfortunate, but micro USB is fine. And of course here we get a 3.5mm to 3.5mm jack, which is really nice if you are interested in using the headphone port. So instead of charging these things actually do not take my word for that. So instead of using them wirelessly, you can use them plugged in, which is really nice. I can't quite imagine what you would need to do that for. So if you guys know, please leave a comment in the below why you would want to listen to your headphones Actually, you know what? I can come up with a reason. I like to switch back and forth between listening to things on my phone and my computer and my iPad sometimes. So, you know what? Maybe having this just connected would be easier than going back and forth between Bluetooth on each device. So, okay, so you get the 3.5mm headphone jack. Now let's go ahead and get our case out of the way, bring our headphones into perspective, and bring over the handy dandy iPad here so that we can go ahead and do a sound testing of these things, of these guys here. So far, very premium feeling. Like I said, there's the 3.5mm port right there. And there is your micro USB port right there for charging them. And as you can see, there are some lights on the side that let you know the battery and if they are connected to Bluetooth. And I am assuming this is the power button. And I'm also assuming that some of these lights are going to flicker, at least so that I know that they're on. But so far, nothing. And we'll go ahead and turn that on there. I don't know what that switch is. Okay, so that is actually the power switch, hence the power sign there. I don't know what this is for. I do not know what that is for. We'll figure that out now. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what they sound like. So I've got them on the right side here, left, right. Put them on. So far, the noise cancellation is superb. Let's go ahead and bring the iPad in here. And they are ready to connect. And here they are, Bose QC35-2. They show right up, which is really nice. And just like that, they are connected to the iPad. So something comes up, it says the accessory Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2 uses an app you do not have installed. Would you like to get it from the App Store? Now, let's go ahead and go to the App Store and download that because I'm curious to see what it comes with. Oh, this is the Bose Connect app. So I actually had these connected when I had the SoundSport wireless free in-ear earbuds, which were really cool by Bose. I did not find myself using this app very much. So let's go ahead and just listen to some royalty-free music. They're at least connected through Bluetooth now. So let's go ahead and listen to some royalty-free music. So we've got Epidemic Sound here. That's who I use to find the music for these videos. And we'll just go ahead and play Standing Tall here, and I'll let you know how they sound. The noise cancellation is out of this world. It is better than the Beats Studio Wireless 3 headphones that I had growing up, the first generation. I am not referring to the Studio Wireless 3s that I reviewed a couple of weeks ago. I'm actually referring to the first generation pair that I owned. Great mid-range, great bass, great treble. Of course, you get that surround sound experience because you have music playing out of both the left and the right ear simultaneously. You have instruments playing in the left side, and you have a different set of instruments playing on the right side. So, of course, you get that surround sound effect. And with the noise cancellation feature, I actually can hardly hear myself talk, which is pretty amazing. Alrighty, folks, so there you have it. Those are the Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2 headphones. Just to show you how they go back into their carrying case, they actually fold away as easy as that right there, folks. So let me get the iPad out of the way and turn them off here. Absolutely beautiful set of headphones. I am super happy that I got them in silver. I'm not sure that I would like them in black. I think this is a little bit more modern of a look. I think it's a little bit, if you're someone who is my age, the silver pair are really cool. My name is John. The Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2s are a big box good. These are $349.99, a really nice pair of headphones. Great noise cancellation. Would I say that they are better noise cancellation than the Sony? Absolutely. Yes, I would. Spring for these. I think they're about $80 more. No. Let me do the math on that. Let's see. Okay, so the Sony WH-1000 XM3s, they were $275, so they were about $300. These are about $370, and that's with tax. So these are about $70 more than the Sony WH-1000 XM3s. I think they're a little bit more stylish. I think they're a little bit more professional looking. They're built better, and they have better noise cancellation. So for $70 more, you are getting better noise cancellation. I don't know if you're getting better sound or not. I wish I had the Sony WH-1000 XM3s with me to compare them side by side. We'll have to save that for another video, guys. We'll have to save that for another time when I've got a little bit more money. But right now, these are a fantastic pair of headphones. They are $349.99. You can pick them up at Best Buy in black or silver. Find them behind the glass case. Make sure you go and grab a representative to help you. Do not feel shy, because you are balling out when you are buying these bad boys. These are a really beautiful pair of headphones. And for those of you who are serious about listening to music and who want to do it with a little bit of elegance, maybe, I don't know, or maybe if you are not so serious about listening to music, or maybe if you want to just upgrade from your earbuds, or maybe you're traveling someplace and you want a pair of noise cancellation headphones, go out to your nearest Best Buy and pick up a pair of these guys. This is the Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2. They are a big box good. I'm pretty sure you can get them at Target too, and I'm pretty sure you can get them at Walmart. Maybe not Walmart, but definitely Target. My name is John, and I am done talking. I will see you guys in the next video.